quickly going.
Let's grab black on that.
Ow! Ah!
Barbie.
Aye! Okay, you guys gonna pay for this.
Is that your morning face?
Yes.
Dude, take off that mask.
People, we're doing a pack-up trip. This is where we're gonna pack. We got the tarpaulin, we got chair, and so I'm bringing in these stuff. So,
Yeah, up this side. Up this side.
this is what we got here.
Clothes.
Clothes in case anybody wants to bathe. What else we got? Hats.
See what we got there.
Alright, this is the tent.
It's a big tent.
The tent, we never put up this tent, so we can try fixing it up.
Good luck with that. You want to say something, cutie pie?
Konnichiwa.
You look so cute.
You.
I was kidding, but anyways.
You don't look cute either because if I don't look cute, you made me, so you.
Peace out.
Peace out.
Alright,
What is that?
Butane gas, portable stove, you know, cook. This is the gas. The other here.
I really think you should take.
Stove and butane gas. You gotta be careful with this. Got a rope here.
Are we going to the jungle?
Got some ice going up.
We're going to the jungle?
Yep.
Save me.
It's flat. Hey people,
Hi.
we got everyone in here. We got my dad and we got Ki. Ki, what's up? Everything good? Ki. Yeah, so we going on a trip today. We're going to Mahaicony beach. We're going there, chill out for the day. It's a nice sunny day. Take your time and enjoy the journey. Are you ready, guys?
Let's spin it.
Yeah, this is a little broom here. Yeah, well, some brooms here selling to roadside. Alright guys, so we are on the Mahaicony main road and this is Good Faith sign. So we got a turn in here. So you can take a left, you're not taking a right, you take a left and we can turn in now. And then you're gonna Yes, people. So we take Good Faith Road, Good Faith, was it Nova, right?
Yeah.
Road, and we come straight down here, and this is the pathway to the Mahaicony beach. It's a sunny day, so the train is a bit good. They got one puddles of water, but it's okay. Yeah, some shit. Yes, people, so we're moving up. Some right thing. Alright, so we finally reached. Oh yeah, how was the journey?
Wonderful.
Ki, how was the journey? Good?
Yeah.
Cutie Pie, what's up? Yes, we got a great view of the beach. We got this DJ. With this one side, them guys playing cricket, so we give you a view here now. Let's see, we're gonna unpack and then we're gonna put on the tent. We got Popsy setting up the cooking stuff. We're gonna fry a little fish got a little stove.
Just take a better shot with the light up on this one.
Yeah.
All 3 gas.
Here's the gas we're using. That'll give you a show of how to use the stove. You got it there, and the gas. So we got the aisle here. You got the little heat there, what?
Did you watch this, right?
Aye.
I need some flour, some loose flour.
Got some flour. We got a little. What we got in that?
This is fish, seasoned.
Seasoned fish in here.
Yeah.
What we got here? In there.
That is sauce,
Sauce.
pepper and ketchup.
This is Slim setting up here. Slim, what are you doing there? Setting up the a nice little thing for chill.
Can't get water in there, right? Yeah. Bring it. Yeah.
You got a good setup going on. Remember for walk with the water, it's alright because the sun hot. You got a lot of water if you cool it down. Chill.
Sorry.
You got some ice in here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold it. No, don't fight it.
So what going on with you?
What?
Your hands are full.
Let's go there. Can't get it.
PewDiePie, you relaxing, eh?
Can't get it.
You're enjoying yourself. Hey, don't look PewDiePie that. Yeah. But I'll bring you all equipments. Let me see. Alright, let me test just see if she's hot. Wow, she's hot, boys. Yeah, I got a little more hot. Right, we're looking good there, Dad. How much we got paid them, man?
I was like a 5,000 US.
A 5,000 US? Alright, you got an expensive chef here, right? Yeah. What? Looking good. You got a little setup.
Y'all ready there, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
You ready?
This is the sample of the menu that we prepare.
Yeah,
we
we
got
got.
some nice fillet banger with some
Let me see, you got. Slow it down.
vegetarian,
Let
vegetable
me see your
Chinese.
filleted banger there. Yeah, advertising the banger there, one.
Yes, and we got vegetable fried rice from the Chinese, from the market. Chinese opposite
I think we shot a block near though.
Mahaicony market, right? The
Yeah.
Mahaicony market.
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is it. Could you get it?
Yes, we got it here. Hold on, let me zoom in for you.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So we must say amen to the Chinese.
Amen, hallelujah. Footprint on the footprints.
I left my signature for you guys.
The PewDiePie signature, my signature. Let me see your signature. You left your signature though? Oh god.
You're sinking it.
You're sinking it more. Good. Good. Oh, we got a nice scene of the moon here on this nice afternoon. Let's see if we can zoom in a bit. Oh, Slim, what y'all doing there? Y'all relaxing there? chilling, eh? Life in London. Food, eh? Y'all eat too much. Too much of fried fish. Oh Lord. Hey people. So we be chilling here. It's a nice Sunday and we're relaxing. We are at the Mahaicony beach and we enjoying ourselves. This one already, how much fish she eat? She done it about 4 fish already. Full and life is nice. So you can check it out. Mahaicony beach.
I get the hammock too. It's very sweet.
You get a hammock too. Yes guys, so thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed the journey, the trip to the Mahaicony beach, and it's a lot of fun here. So do come and enjoy yourself next time. So I'll let PewDiePie come.